Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. In the name of Allah, the entirely merciful, the especially merciful. وَإِنَّ لَكُمْ فِي الْأَنْعَامِ الْعِبْرَةِ نُسْقِيكُم مِّمَّا فِي بُطُونِهِ مِن بَيْنِ فَرْثٍ وَدَمٍ لَبَنًا خَالِصًا سَائِغًا لِلشَّارِبِينَ. Allah Almighty says, وَإِنَّ لَكُمْ فِي الْأَنْعَامِ الْعِبْرَةِ. Indeed, for you in grazing livestock is a lesson. Nusqikum, we give you drink, mimma fi butunihi, of that fi butunihi, which is in their bellies, min bayni, between farsin, excretion, wadamin, and blood, labanan, milk, khalisan, pure, sa'igan, palatable, lisharibin, to drinkers. Allah Almighty says that indeed for you in grazing livestock is a lesson. Allah Almighty says that we give you drink